Hello guys, how are you doing today? Actually today I'm going to show you how you can track your YouTubing activities on the go. I mean when you are outside of home. Normally I think you are using a desktop or a laptop to do YouTubing activities, but when you are outside of home or when you don't have the laptop with you, then how do you track your YouTubing activities, like how many views you are getting, and also whether your channel, you know, it's having growth or it's diminishing in some way. In order to track those activities, you need to do that as a YouTuber. How to do that on a smartphone, Android smartphone. So that's what I'm going to show you today. In order to do that, you will need to use an app that's called browser. It's the blue default browser that is content that every Android smartphone has within it. Now this is the browser I recommend. I previously tried to use Chrome, even Mozilla Firefox, and also other browsers, but they didn't work. They worked okay for some time, but then at some point they caused trouble. So that's when, after using all those apps, I switched to this particular one named browser, the blue icon. Anyway, as you can see, as you can guess, I have already opened this browser. This is because I did not want to be in portrait mode. I rather wanted to be in landscape mode, because if I record this video in landscape mode, it would be better, okay, to upload and also later viewing, uh, for viewing it properly, especially for you guys. So now the home page, the first page on browser is about blank, as you can see, but uh, what I'm going to do now, I first will log into my channel, then I will set the home page. So you guys will be doing the same when you first open this browser. In order to track your YouTubing activities, you will need to type youtube.com. Although as you can see, there's another location appears videos YouTube, which has the URL youtube.com/my videos question mark goes to you. Anyways, so this one appears here because I previously visited this page, but you may not have done that. So in your case, you will have to type simply youtube.com, and then you press the enter button, the arrow, right hand arrow. You know what that one is. So I previously logged into my YouTube account or my Google account. That's why this home page with my channel icon in the upper right hand corner appears. But in your case, you might have to log into your YouTube account anyway. So first of all, ideally we should be clicking on the upper right hand corner, the channel icon, which is daily YouTubing tips. In my case, let's see what happens. Although I tried this before, but the irony is that it may not work in desktop or laptop computer. If you click on this icon, there should be a menu, but it does not work at this moment. Or actually, to be totally frank with you, in Android smartphone it hardly works. It doesn't work, I believe. So in that case, you will have to go to the upper left hand corner and click on these three parallel lines, and this particular menu appears. So on this menu, you will have to click on the my channel tab or my channel link. You will be directed to your channel's homepage. Well, yes, I am directed here. As you can see, this is my new YouTube channel. I have little views and also only a handful of subscribers. Anyway, I'm developing this channel, and you should be focusing on developing your new channels. Don't worry, success that doesn't come in a day or overnight. So what you need to do now, you need to go to the video manager tab. You click on here, and you are now on I'm now on the video manager page of my channel. Here are my videos. As you can see, every page contains 25 or maybe 30 videos. I also can go to the next pages, like the second page. I have uploaded less than 50 or 60 videos, that's why only 2 pages. Anyway guys, so you can set this particular page, the video manager page, as the first loading page of browser to track your YouTubing activities. You can even choose the dashboard thing. Some people like to see their dashboard first, but what I like as the first loading page of my browser is basically the analytics thing. So I go to the analytics page here, I click on this, and this particular page shows my channel's data for the last 28 days. You can change this time span by going here and then clicking here. While it does not work for some reason, I believe the data for last 28 days is just enough. So as you can see, this is the data. Since I have not given much attention to my channel recently, that's why my channel actually is not growing, it's diminishing. Anyway, so my point here was that I liked you to see, take a look at the analytics page. That's also another part of analytics, and it is called the real time. One thing is overview, and the other thing is real time. The real time page actually shows you how many views you are getting in the last hour, in every minute at this moment, and also in the last 48 hours. These are the data you get here. I personally like the real-time data more than the overview thing. So what you need to do, you basically need to copy the URL of the page that you like to select as the first loading page of browser. So I do it here. I copy this, I go to the URL, I tap here. I kept pressing for like a few seconds, then this particular thing appears. If you have been using Android for some time now, then I believe you know how to do that. Once you keep pressing this thing for a few seconds, then this particular cut, copy, paste, share thing appears. Then I simply copy it, then I go back, and then I go to the upper right hand corner, um, where the three square appears. I click on there and the menu appears. I scroll down and go to the settings page, and then I choose general, set home page. Currently it is blank page, but I like to change it, so I go to another or other, then I delete this thing and I paste whatever I copied before, and then I hit the done button. So the home page is set. Now I go back. So at this moment I am on the real-time page, and now I am on the overview page. I will be in a few seconds, maybe I did not tap it properly. So guys, that's how you can track your YouTubing activities through your Android smartphone. Although YouTube has launched an app, it's called Creator Studio. I have tried to use that, but that seemed to be, I found it tricky. Okay, I found mm, instead I prefer this particular browser thing. I like to use this thing to track my YouTubing activities, uh, whether my channel is growing or it's diminishing. I even use this for uploading videos, to edit videos, to change the tags, the description, the category, other thing. So this is how you can track your YouTubing activities, guys. So if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up right away, and also be sure to share this video among your friends and associates if you think it might benefit them or give them some useful data or information in one way or another. then please share my video with them. And also, if you are first time on my channel, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you instantly get notified. So until the next time, best of luck.